Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can add a withdrawal wallet to BullX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do so, first of all, you're going to go ahead, choose a wallet of which wallet you would like to add for the withdrawal. For example, I'm going to go with the Phantom wallet. So you're going to go ahead, first sign in. Then once your app has been opened, go ahead, tap on this option of receive and go ahead, choose the wallet that you would like to add, and you're going to copy the address. You're going to tap on copy as well. Then you're going to go ahead, open up your BullX and go to the option of wallet manager. Then from wallet manager, you're going to go to the section of add a new withdrawal wallet and tap on add new. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Go ahead, add in the wallet type, choose the Solana because that's what we have copied. Add in the wallet name, just we have done it Phantom, so you can add Phantom. If you have chose MetaMask or anything, you can add the name. Then add in the paste in the code that we just copied the address and tap on add wallet. Your wallet will be added and you're good to go. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.